Here's how you can recreate this cool little dolly zoom in Blender. So you want to start off on frame 1 with the camera focal length really high, something like 120 or 130, and then move forward in time and have the focal length be set really low and keyframed. Then what's going to happen is the camera will move towards the object at the same time that the focal length is changing to create the dolly zoom effect. So you can see I like to use the camera to view, so I turn that on from the end panel, and then I just scroll my mouse wheel to position the camera and press I to insert the keyframes.